Forever Bright to Gel, a product of Forever brand with aloe vera and bee propolis, fluoride free, natural mint flavor. Weight 130 grams when packed. Forever Bright 2 Gel combines aloe vera and bee propolis in a fluoride-free formula for sparkling teeth and pressed breath. Peppermint and spearmint provide a natural mint flavor that keeps the mouth feeling clean and healthy all day long. Brush after meals with Bright 2 Gel for healthy looking smile. Use it if seal is cut, broken or missing. Aloe vera ingredients: aloe borbonidis, leaf juice, aloe vera gel, sorbitol, hydrated silica, GI sodium lauryl sulfate, flavor aroma, saccharin, caragramin, sodium benzoate, chlorophyllene, copper complex, propolis X. C-tube cream for batch number date manufacturing. Manufactured by Aloe Vera of America, 13745 Jupiter Road, Dallas, Texas, 75236. Forever Living Production. foreverliving.com. Aloe Vera of America inclusive, made in USA. Forever. This product is available in India. Head office is in Mumbai, Mahim, West. If you want, it's available. Head office is in Bandra West. Slim packing, new packing, green color packing, sleek design. Manufacturing date written and expiry date written. Example, this is manufacturing date of 11th, means November 2022, and expiry November 2026. Thank you for watching.